everyone. My name is Michelle Pinagana, the governor then life is so. Upon hearing the music grade, actually, I want to share my experience. This is my first time to become a student and leader, like for example, a university. So, the music plays or doesn't sound part about and such I can say that I'm not sure and like I'm sure with people. So, I realized I need to be brave para pag-extract isang tao stay positive para hindi ka magpadala sa mga negative thoughts para ma-overcome nila yung mga thank you.
Morning, everyone.